Using the same technique, we can find the total of a ratio given the percent and the part. So here's an example of what that looks like. 20% of the 6th grade students prefer chicken nuggets to pizza. There are 40 students who prefer chicken nuggets. How many students are in the whole 6th grade? So to set this up, you would first create an equivalent ratio. That 20% is written as 20 over 100. And then the 40 students is now the numerator of the fraction, where the unknown is the total number of students in 6th grade. We're then looking at the relationship of the numerators, where we have 20 to 40 is multiplied by 2. So we can make that equivalent fraction and solve for that missing unknown by multiplying the denominator of 100 by 2 to get that there are a total of 200 students in the 6th grade. Let's look at another problem without a context or a situation. It's just simply asking 75 is 25% of what number? So again, we're looking for a total given the part and the percent. So the 25% we're writing as a fraction over 100, 25 over 100. The 75 is then the numerator of what it's going to be equal to with the unknown in the denominator. So the relationship between 25 to 75 is multiplying by 3. So we're going to do that to the denominator of 100, multiply by 3, which gives you 300. So 75 is 25% of 300. Let's go through this step by step of 2 more. So we have 48 is 96% of what number? So first we're going to make that percent 96% and write it as a fraction, 96 over 100. We're then going to set that equal to the part of 48 over the unknown total. To find that unknown total, we'll look at the relationship of the numerator, 96 to 48, is dividing by 2. So we need to divide 100 by 2 to get our answer, and we can see that that would be 50. 100 divided by 2 is 50, so 48 is 96% of 50. The second example, we have 60 is 20% of what number? So 20%, we're first going to set up as a fraction, 20 over 100. We'll set that equal to then the part of 60 that's given over the unknown total. To find that unknown, we'll look at the relationship of the numerators. 20 to 60 is like multiplying by 3. So we can find the unknown total by multiplying the denominator of 100 by 3. So that means our answer is going to be 300. So 60 is 20% of 300. So we can again use this proportion, use this idea of setting up the percent as a fraction over 100 to solve for that total number instead of solving like the part or the percent as we've done in the past.